In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your hosting a domain to a Replit project. So if we just go to preview, here is an example static website that I created just for this tutorial. We're going to connect a domain together live on video. I'm going to get it all sorted. And if you watch all the way until the end, you'll be able to do the same. So what you need to do is go to deployments. So go ahead and click on deployments. Then you will see your deployment here on overview. You want to make sure that this is the correct project, then go to domains, and then here you can click manually connect from another registrar. Click on that, and then you can enter in your domain name. For me, I'm going to go to my account on Hostinger. That will then take me into the H panel, and from here we can go ahead and click on domains. That should then take us to our domain portfolio, and then we can choose a domain that we want to connect. I'm going to go ahead and connect this one, knowledgebaseonline.com. So I'll click on it. We are going to need to be on the back end anyway, so we can then copy this domain right here. So let's just copy this. Then we'll go back to Replit. We'll paste in the domain. We'll then click next. Then it's going to ask us to add 2 different DNS records, which is very, very easy inside of Hostinger. So what you need to do is go to DNS here, and then scroll down to DNS records, and we need to add the following 2 DNS records to Hostinger. This is very easy again, the first one being an A record. So adding an A record, host name is going to be @ and the actual record or value is going to be this IP address here. So go ahead and copy it, head over to Hostinger, scroll down, and you need to find add record. We're adding an A record, @ and then we're going to point it to and paste in the IP address that we've just copied here. Again, we're literally copy and pasting stuff. It is very easy. We can then click add record. Now what might happen is you might have a record like this, which is going to conflict. Click confirm, but we can remember the IP address that we've just added. And if we scroll down now to the bottom, you will see the record we've just added, which is obviously the one we want. And we don't want another A record conflicting with it. So we can just find it, which is obviously this one. We can then click delete, and there you go, you've deleted that conflicting record, which is great. Now we'll go ahead and add a TXT record. So you go type TXT. For the name, it's going to be @ again. And then for the record, you just want to click copy here and make sure you've got everything copied, and then paste it in here. Then click add record. And to be honest guys, it's not rocket science. We've just added both of these records in a couple of minutes. Now click link domain, and what's going to happen is it's going to start verifying your domain. Now here's where people get impatient or they get confused or worried, because it can take up to 48 hours for your domain to connect. So if you go ahead and click on this edit tool, you can see that the DNS settings may take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. So you need to be patient here, and you can click on your domain. It might work straight away. As you can see, mine just says not found. I don't know what kind of an error that is. But you do need to wait until the DNS servers have propagated. Now you can check if you've done everything correct by going to a website like dnschecker.org. Now I'm going to do this with you. We're going to go ahead and copy the domain name, and I'll show you what you're looking for. So we'll copy the domain from here, and we'll go and paste it into dnschecker.org. You can do this, it's free. And if you click search, you should get green ticks all the way down here. If so, you've done everything correctly. You now just need to be patient until it actually connects and propagates. Now, again, this could take up to 48 hours, so you are going to have to be patient here. You can keep refreshing. You can then go to domains and it might have connected. I did this before for another video and it took about 15 minutes. But yeah, it can take a while. It may work straight away, it may not. So it's been a couple of minutes for me and it is still not deployed, which probably means it might take about an hour. Before I did it, it took 50. Oh, it did it straight away again, which is weird. Anyway, this is it done. I had this exact scenario before. I refreshed the page, checked it, and for some reason it worked. But there you go. That's how you do it. You just have to be patient. I hope that video helped. Leave a like and comment if it did.